All right, our fluency, which of the following best describes the answer to the given division problem? So let's go ahead and divide. So we have 23. Whoa, I don't like how you wrote that. 23 and 1800ths divided by 2/10. 0 and 2/10. We do have to make this a whole number on the outside, so we're going to move that decimal. We only need to move it in once, so we need to also move it once in our dividend. Sorry. So now we're able to pop that up, and let's go ahead and divide. So now we have 2. So can 2 go into 2? Yes, it can. It can go in one time. 2 times 2 is 2, or 2 times 1 is 2. We subtract, we get 0. Am I done? No, we need to bring down that 3. How many times can 2 go into 3? Well, 2 can go into 3 one time, so we're going to put a 1 here. 2 times 1 is 2. We are going to subtract. We get a 1, and then we need to bring down that 1. 2 can go into 11 5 times. 2 times 5 is 10. We're going to subtract. You get 1. Bring down that 8. 2 can go into 18 9 times. 2 times 9 is, in fact, 18. We subtract. We get 0. There's nothing left to bring down. And so our answer is going to be, there we go, 115 and 9/10. So is the quotient less than 100? No, it's 115. That's more than 100. So I can X that one. Is the quotient greater than 115? Yeah, it is greater than 115 because it's 115 and 9/10. Or you can think of $115.90. That is more than $115. Not by much, but it is more than that. So we are going to circle B. That is going to be our answer, but let's go ahead and check the last two to make sure. The quotient is equal to 115. Nope, it's not equal to that because it's more. It has that decimal there. It has that extra change. Or is the quotient less than 100? Well, no, because it already asked that for letter A, so it tried to trick us and give it to us again. It is not less than 100. All right, that is going to be it for the fluency. Great job.